And then here you can see we're heading out in the evening. And by this time it's got dark and it's also got a bit cold. Everybody's got their coats on. You can see I've got a woolly hat on. We've got a steaming hot cup of tea. In fact, actually, I will just pause at that moment. Let's go back to the hot cup of tea. Because this was another really a sort of fun part. And here I have to give a call out to my wife. As soon as we started talking about, I was talking about the idea of doing a nighttime shoot, the first thing she said is, all right, you'll be needing a flask and some munchies then. And I thought, oh yeah, that sounds like a good idea. And brilliantly, so we made up a picnic basket basically to take with us. My wife Maggie was just fantastic. Flasks of hot water and coffee. She also made up some chocolate brownies and some flapjack. And already the evening we sort of started, I thought we were going to start. People have been late turning up, there have been problems, and then hair took a lot longer. So I think it was pretty much about 10 o'clock in the evening by the time we actually got out there to start shooting. And it wasn't overly warm. We've already been going for a couple of hours. The camera hasn't even got out of the bag yet. So to be able to then have a really nice cup of coffee and a really nice sweet treat, tray bake, just went down so well. Great learning experience for me, and pretty much most photo shoots is where there's been a team involved since I've tried to, usually, food has then become an important part to remember if you've got more than yourself going. Even if you're just doing it yourself, you need to remember to take something. But I suppose there's an important point that if this is your shoot, you are leading it, and people will, the people you brought on board, you can allow the hairdresser to get on with the hairdressing, you can let the makeup artist get on with doing the makeup, you can get the video person get on with the video, but you are the one in charge, and so you have to make sure that everybody's being taken care of on some level. Doesn't matter whether you're paying them or whether they're doing you favors, you are responsible for trying to make sure that that they are happy, content, okay with what they're doing. And so supplying coffee and sweet treats never goes amiss. If you found this useful, let your friends know and hit subscribe.